Welcome to the session 1.2, the lesson plan. The entire course is divided into 10 modules. Each of the modules consists of 3 lectures and a quiz. The modules are Introduction to the course, Simple present tense, Present continuous tense, Present perfect tense, Simple past tense, Past continuous tense, Past perfect tense, Future indefinite tense, Future continuous tense, Future perfect tense. The first module gives a brief introduction of the course, the lesson plan, and a preliminary lesson on categories of subjects, which is crucial for understanding the subsequent lessons. Each of the following 9 modules consists of 3 lectures and a quiz. The lectures are the definition of a particular tense, the pattern of transformation of verb in that particular tense, and the example of transformation of verb in that tense. Thank you very much.